This is the Hurricane Turning Tools Cryocut 1-inch radiused rolled edge skew chisel, model number HTT-525. Discover the perfect combination of quality and affordability with Hurricane Cryocut wood-turning tools. Each tool is made from cryogenically treated M2 high-speed steel, increasing wear resistance by up to 3 times while still maintaining the superior sharpness properties of M2 steel. This enables you to spend more time turning and less time sharpening. Each HTT 525 is 1 inch wide with a thickness of 1/4 inch. The solid beach handle is 12 inches long for a total length of 19 inches, providing you with balance and control while still maintaining maximum comfort. The Hurricane Cryocut 1 inch radius rolled edge skew chisel is ideal for both beginners and experienced woodturners alike. Whether you're working on intricate details or shaping substantial projects, let Hurricane Cryocut wood-turning tools help you achieve perfect results every time.